Every day begins with decisions, small ones that shape bigger outcomes. In a world driven by data, knowing what's happening today helps protect what matters tomorrow. But real impact doesn't stay behind a screen. It travels beyond the city to where livelihoods grow from the land. Here, experience meets insight. By combining local knowledge with digital intelligence, weather patterns, satellite data, and predictive insights, uncertainty becomes opportunity, and confidence replaces guesswork. Trust is built instantly. Value is shared immediately. When technology connects people, prosperity grows from the ground up. We are SANSA, the South African National Space Agency, an entity of the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, and we bring space closer to your lives. Every single day, SANSA works diligently to ensure the country's most important systems that empower and protect South Africans are protected against the storms from space. We monitor cities, settlements, and farms from space to ensure resilience against natural disasters, and we build technologies to drive international collaboration in space innovation. So how do we do this? It all comes down to exceptional space science and technology. From space, SANSA monitors what matters most on Earth. Using state-of-the-art technology to gather vast archives of satellite imagery dating back many years, SANSA leverages Earth observation intelligence to protect lives, strengthen resilience, and enable smarter decision-making across South Africa. By providing timely, data-driven insights, SANSA empowers authorities to reduce risks from disasters such as fires and floods, safeguard public health through air quality monitoring, and guide sustainable planning by tracking human settlement growth and natural resource use. For many years, the South African National Space Agency has transformed satellite data into actionable intelligence that directly improves the everyday lives of citizens. From the Earth, SANSA's state-of-the-art Space Weather Center monitors the sun on a 24/7 basis to track solar storms and reduce the risk of these storms to our technological systems. This is the only facility of its kind in Africa and forms part of the International Space Environment Service. Given its importance, the center is designated by the International Civil Aviation Organization to provide space weather information to the global aviation sector, alongside only 4 other global centers. Through its growing network of ground-based instruments across Africa, the Southern Ocean and Antarctica, SANSA helps the continent protect its assets in space as well as technologies on Earth, so we remain connected and productive. Behind every space mission lies engineering excellence and future-proof infrastructure. SANSA's engineers design and develop the technologies that make South Africa's space ambitions possible. From satellites to systems integration, we build the backbone of South Africa's space capability together with a growing local industry, ensuring our nation is ready for the challenges of tomorrow. Our role in all major space explorations of our era has been nothing short of remarkable. For instance, our Hartbeespoort tracking station was one of 14 stations worldwide that formed part of the Stater network of NASA, which enabled the Apollo missions of the 1960s, providing critical data that helped usher in the most significant era of space exploration. Through our advanced tracking systems and rich space heritage, we have been an integral part of a globally connected network of satellite ground stations that ensures the success of global space missions and exploration. From humble beginnings to today's global collaborations with leading space agencies, SANSA is amongst the ground stations of choice for the world. The legacy of our past gives us the confidence to take bigger strides into the future. And for a sustainable and successful space legacy, we need young, innovative, and ambitious youth to flourish in the ecosystem of space. That is why, through our outreach and training programs, bursary schemes and career opportunities, we remain committed to developing the next generation of scientists, researchers, and space explorers for South Africa, the SADC region, and indeed the entire continent. SANSA's journey is a story of innovation, resilience, and pride, much like South Africa. We look to a future where space continues to connect, protect, and inspire our nation. Join us in shaping South Africa's place in space exploration. The South African National Space Agency, connecting South Africa to space in the pursuit of space sovereignty.